Hello, good morning, guys. How are you today? This is English for 10th grade BTP. Welcome to second semester 2021. In order to help stop the coronavirus spread, please wear a face mask. Today we're going to study past continuous, and the objective is to talk about events that took place in the past and haven't been done. Past continuous. El past continuous es un tiempo verbal que se utiliza para hablar de una acción del pasado que todavía no ha finalizado cuando nos referimos a ella. So we have two examples here. Example number one, I was watching an action movie yesterday. Okay? And my friends were eating cake. Entonces, si nos fijamos, past continuous es, utilizamos el pasado de to be. Remember the verb to be. Solo que en este caso solo usamos las partículas was and were. ¿Ok? Was and were. Eso es algo muy importante. Y el verbo siempre va a ir en progresivo. Alright? The verb will always go in progressive, like watching, eating, dancing, swimming, speaking, listening, going. Alright? So we need was and the verb with in progressive, right? Or were and the verb in progressive, all right? Let's read examples again. I was watching an action movie yesterday, and my friends were eating cake. So pay attention, please. So here we have the personal pronouns I, he, she, it, we, you, and they, and the particles was and were. Recuerden que les acabo de decir que eso es lo que necesitamos, was and were. ¿Cuándo necesitamos was? We need was with the pronouns I, okay, I was, he was, she was, it was, alright? And where? We were, you were, they were, alright? And the verb in progressive. In this case, we have the verb drink, and we add ing, agregamos ing, so we say drinking, all right? If we have another verb like speak, speaking, listen, listening, dance, dancing, swim, swimming, use, using, walk, walking, all right? Do, doing, etc. So, and the complement of the sentence. So we would say, I was drinking orange juice this morning. Esa es una oración que podríamos formar, ¿ok? I was drinking orange juice this morning. Yo estuve bebiendo jugo de naranja esta mañana, right? He was drinking. She was drinking. It was drinking. We were drinking. ¿Ok? Nosotros estuvimos bebiendo jugo de naranja esta mañana. We were drinking oranges this morning. You were drinking. They were drinking. Alright? So this is past continuous. ¿Vieron qué fácil es? So we need the personal pronouns was or were and the verb in progressive. Alright? So let's practice. Ronaldo was playing soccer yesterday. Was. ¿Por qué decimos was? Porque hablamos de Ronaldo. Es como el pronombre he, ¿verdad? He was playing soccer yesterday. So, if we say Ronaldo, Ronaldo was playing soccer yesterday. And here we have the Spanish translation. Ronaldo estuvo jugando fútbol ayer. All right? So this is past continuous. The boys, this is plural. So we say were, the boys were washing the dog. You see? Los niños estuvieron o estaban lavando el perro, bañando el perro. The boys were washing the dog. So help me please here. Let's complete the sentence. So we need was in were and the verb in progressive. So Tommy, what is the correct verb, guys, here? Tommy was or Tommy were? Was. Alright, very good. Tommy was, and the verb? What verb do you think that we can use here? The verb listen, correct. So in progressive, Tommy was listening to music on his phone. Alright? Was listening. Next example. The guys was or the guys were. What do you think it's? Correct, were. The guys were, and the verb? Pizza. What do you do with the pizza? You eat it. So eat in progressive, eating. The guys were eating pizza at the Italian restaurant last night. Perfect. Next. So in this case, I'm going to ask and you're going to answer. Yo hago la pregunta, en este caso, ¿qué estuvo haciendo Tina esta mañana? ¿Ven? Ese tipo de preguntas vamos a verlas de aquí en adelante y luego ustedes responderán. So, what was Tina doing this morning? She was exercising in the gym. Exercising, all right, was exercising. Good. Look at this. What was Ralph doing yesterday morning? He was playing tennis with a girl. Was playing. What were the guys doing last night? ¿Qué estaban haciendo los muchachos anoche? They were doing Zumba. Were doing. No was. Were. Because the pronoun is they. So it's a plural. What was Helen doing? ¿Qué estaba haciendo Helen? What was Helen doing? She was making a cake. Was making. What was Johnny doing? He was speaking on the phone with his friends. Was speaking. He was speaking on the phone with his friends. What was Samuel doing? He was kissing a friend. He was kissing a friend. Was kissing. No word. So this is it, guys. Espero que hayan aprendido. Está muy fácil la lección. So I'm gonna send you the homework. Please send it to me. Thank you very much. Goodbye.